Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Killer car, guys. Just bought this car literally a couple of minutes ago from a local gentleman. He's owned this car for 23 years. In 2020, he actually took this car. Everybody here locally is going to know this name. The guy who did all the body and the paint work and the body up restoration on it was Fred Moe from Drayton Motors. Anybody who knows him, if I was building a car, that's who I would want to build my car. Guy does great work. He's not cheap, but he does killer work. And this car is stunning. It's finished in tuxedo black. Stock black vinyl interior. This is not the original color on the car. The car was originally silver. They changed it to black, but if you know anything about Corvettes, black is not something that's easy to put on this car. This car is straight as can be. Look at the gaps on it. It is one of those cars that is absolutely show quality. It's got a 69 Booth Arron 355 small block in it, Muncie 4-speed, all new suspension. You can see it's got the big block hood. Killer car. I like to say I haven't even wiped it down, so you can see a little smudge marks. The chrome is all redone. That's original bumpers that have been re-chromed. Sorry, a little bug there. This car is show quality. Just a gorgeous car. Look at the front of that car. Look how nice that thing is. Again, it's got the big block hood. And we haven't even wiped it down. He pulled it in. In fact, there's still some bugs up there on the trim. And I just told the guys, hey, let's just wipe this thing down and shoot it. Stock black interior. Look at the gaps. Look at the finish on this car. Gorgeous. Beautiful car, man. Again, all new suspension, new steering box. That was all done in 2020, but he's owned this car for 23 years. And he really didn't want to sell it, guys. He said the problem is he's getting older. All his car buddies have either moved away or honestly said passed away. And he said it's just not as fun going to the car shows anymore. What a car, man. This car is just gorgeous. And it's the only way I like buying Corvettes, guys. Knockoff wheels, lead hammers in the back for it, with side exhausts and a 4-speed. It's the only way I like. I love mid-years, and I think this is the only way to buy them. Look how pretty that car is. Again, Booth Arron's 69 block, 355 small block. You can see it's got ceramic headers on it. All new suspension, aluminum intake. It's got MSD, a distributor and everything in it. You see the MSD box mounted underneath there. All new steering box. Gorgeous car. Look how slick that thing is. He said everything works on it but the radio, and he said the radio did work, and he said all of a sudden it stopped working. Look how nice this stuff is. And I think he replaced all that stuff, like I said, in 2020. New door fuzzies, glasses, none. I mean, this car is just killer. Bucket seats, Hurst shifter. Sport steering wheel. Showing 11,222. He said that, you know, he doesn't know how many miles are actually, you know, like 111 is what he said. You know, he said he's probably put 20,000 miles on it in the 23 years that he's owned it. No on the clock. All the gauges. I drove it, man. I mean, he just, him and I jumped in it, and he said, hey, this is the kind of car that you can jump in and drive to California. It's that kind of car. And he said he would have he said he wouldn't have one iota of, you know, hesitation to jumping in and driving it wherever he wanted to go. And it does hit the road nice and tight, shifts out great. Yeah. Little dust, but like I say, we haven't even wiped it down. That's how this guy keeps his car. Seats have all definitely been repadded, refoamed. It's got the seat belts in it. Original owner's manual's in the glove box. Go ahead and start it up, Nathan. Yeah, there's a ton of keys. There's radio does not work. Blower motor works. Oh, this car's got power windows too. I forgot about that. It's got power windows. They do work. Yep. You know where the headlights are? A little switch on the side. You may not like this, guys. Nope, it's on the side over there. They work, guys. It's okay, Nathan. Should be a little, it says headlamps. And they're vacuum. Got them on? Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is there he goes. He's got it now. Flip your headlights on. There you go. Young guys, you gotta teach them. Blinkers. Oh, we got a turn signal out. Okay. Now you gotta turn them, flip them back down. There you go. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us. Horn ones too. Works. Yeah, it works, Nathan.